Hello my dear students. Today we are going to make a pinhole camera. To make the pinhole camera, we need a box of approximately this size. This is empty box as you can see. One butter paper, pen for marking, scissors, one ruler, cutter, candle and lighter to lit the candle. And the most important thing is a tiny pin. So first of all, we will be making one rectangular opening on this box. As you can see, this is the longer side. Okay, so we need to make the opening on the opposite of this side. So to make that opening, I am marking one rectangular box with the help of ruler and pen. Okay, so as you can see, I have marked one box on this side and I will be cutting this side on the box with the help of this cutter. Yes. Successfully I have made this opening. Okay, so now the next step is to paste this butter paper on this opening, and this will act as a screen. So let's put it. So I have cut this paper of the size of the window. Now I will be pasting this on this cut part. Successfully I have pasted this screen on the box, and the next step is to make a tiny hole on this opposite side of the screen. Screen is on this side and I'm making hole on the opposite side of the box. And please make the hole at the center of this face. Pierce the thin pin. Move it round and round and make the hole very tiny. See, this is very crucial part of this camera. This hole is known as aperture, and the size of aperture decides the clarity of the image you are making. Okay, so if you make the hole very tiny, the image will be very crisp and very clear, but the brightness of image will be lesser. And if you make the hole of large size, the brightness of the image will be more, but the clarity will be lesser. So please make optimum size of this aperture. How does this pinhole camera work? See, this pinhole camera works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, so the light rays will move in the rectilinear direction, that means in the straight direction, and the rectilinear propagation of light causes the light to move in a particular way. For example, there is a light source. I will be making this candle lit and will place over here. Okay, so the upper part of the flame will send the light rays on the down part. From this tiny hole, the light rays will go downside, and that will be incident on the lower part of the screen. And the bottom part of the flame will send the light rays in the upper side, and that light rays will incident on the screen on the upward side. So it will make an inverted image of the candle flame. So that image will be a real image, and real images are always inverted upside down. So let's check it. How does it work? To use this pinhole camera, we need to make such a setup, and in this setup we are keeping this pinhole camera in front of the candle, and candle is placed near the pinhole. As you can see, the light rays are coming from the candle, and these light rays will form a real image on this screen. So to see this real image, we need to turn off the lights. Now it's complete dark. You can see here the real image of this candle. Candle is there at the back side of this pinhole camera, and real image is getting formed on this screen, as you can see. This is inverted image because of rectilinear propagation of light. This is aura light of my mobile phone, a circular light ring. Let us see how does it look in my pinhole camera.